G'day everyone, it's Chriso. How you doing? Right, we're on to another bathroom. This is the before shot. I'm doing a nice big double shower in here. These people bought this house about 5 years ago, and Bodgy Bob had been in doing his thing. Like, this is so bodgy. You know. Anyway, it's all, look at that. Wow. Anyway, it's going to be all tiled, floor to ceiling. I do a nice big double shower, double shower heads. There's going to be a seat, nice big niche. The whole works. It's going to look absolutely brilliant. A barn door. I'll be putting a barn door here. New vanity, fitting a new vanity. I'll be taking that mirror out. I'll put on new architraves here. Anyway, I strip it back to the bones. Let's get into it. There's a lot to do. I don't know what to expect. Like, you know. Whew. And I don't know what I'm going to come across. But hopefully everything's alright. But being a bodgy Bob, I hope there hasn't been leaks. Okay, we'll see you soon. Yo!